best built-in grills under $1,000. When you're on the modest budget, especially when purchasing a gas grill, your options can be very limited. These backyard cooking equipments don't come cheap, so we have listed the best gas grill under $1,000 below to help you find something that fits your budget. If you're looking to find the one for you, our guide will help you. Number 1. Kenyon B750. The Kenyon Frontier all-season electric built-in grill seals in flavors and juices without the fuzz of charcoal. The Frontier all-seasons electric grill provides a safe method of grilling without the hazard of open flames. Marine grade 304 stainless steel grill with digital touch control for heat settings. The nonstick grate imparts characteristics barbecue grill marks while sealing in flavor and juices. Number 2. Kenyon B785. The Rio by Kenyon offers a visually appealing overflange for a built-in grill. The rounded edges and oval-shaped lid makes it a very attractive grill to mount in any outdoor and indoor kitchen. With a 155 square inches cooking surface, you have plenty of rooms to prepare meals for you and your family. Just the same as every other Kenyon grill, cleanup is a breeze. Number 3. Kenyon 786. The distinguished features of the Rio grill is a rounded flange that provides a classy look while installed. Designed to enhance the grilling experience, the Rio grill is safe, easy to use, and flare-up and smoke-free. Engineered for indoor and outdoor use, unlike any other grill available, this is perfect grill for quick cleanup. The grate is protected by a medical grade non-stick coating, and it is easily to clean with a damp cloth or placed in the dishwasher. Number 4. Kenyon B760. The no-lid electric grill by Kenyon is perfect grill for the indoor kitchen island or on your outdoor patio. They say to never put form over function, so Kenyon utilizes a touch control system to ensure accurate heat settings during grill. Paired with the sleek design of the grill, you get the best of both worlds. Number 5. Bull Outdoor Product 6009. The Bull product specializes in providing everything you could need to build an ultimate in indoor kitchens and cooking spaces. From grill heads to refrigeration to doors, drawers, and everything in between, our components are built with the craftsman and quality material that you could expect from Bull. All Bull outdoor kitchen components are built with heavy gauge 304 stainless steel for a beautiful finish and a lifetime of use. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.